On this video, we're going to look at how you can rotate an object by negative 90 degrees, which means 90 degrees going in a clockwise direction. Remember, negative 90 means 90 going clockwise. So we're going to rotate this quadrilateral by negative 90 degrees about the point negative 1, 2. So negative 1, 2 is the center of rotation, which is right here. And of course, we're going to use our geometry sets. So you're going to need a ruler, a protractor, and of course your compass. Alright. Now the first thing you're going to do is center the compass at the center of rotation. Alright. And extend the pencil to each of the vertices on your object. So first of all, I'm going to extend it to B. And then from each of those, you draw an arc. Remember, you want this thing to go counterclockwise now. So for each of these, you'll draw an arc going in a counterclockwise direction. So from B, this is the arc from B. We're rotating by 90 degrees. So we're rotating by 90. So make it at least a quarter of a circle, right? Going that way. And then you're going to extend the compass to another of your vertices. I'll take C this time. Okay, so I think I'm about done C there. And I'm going to send it, make an arc. Again, this ensure it's more than about a quarter of a circle. Now I'm going to extend to D. And swing an arc again to about to more than a quarter of a circle, right? And then I'm going to extend to my final vertex A. Okay, this arc is probably going to be very close to the one for D, and swing. Yep, all right, an arc. So I swing the arcs. The one from A is pink, from B is the green one, from C it's blue, and from D it's that color right there. Now, the next thing, you're going to take your ruler, and you can put away the compass. Now, you're going to take your ruler and draw a line from the center of rotation to each of your vertices. All right. So draw a line from the center of rotation to each of the vertices. I'm going to start with A. And by the way, so that's to A. Make one to B as well. If you look at the line leading to A in the meantime, and by the way, you'll notice that it's a horizontal line. So it's actually very easy to rotate A, because the 90 degree to that horizontal line is just a vertical line going down, right, from the center of rotation. So if you're very observant, you notice that the image of A is going to be right here on the pink arc, right? And we'll make the one for C. Alright, so like this process might look a bit slow, but I'm using the computer, and if you actually practice this a few times, right, you'll be able to complete this task very quickly. So I'm going to find the image of C first, right? Remember that blue arc is the arc from C. So my protractor is centered at the center of rotation. I'm going to put a dot at the 90 degree mark. Right, this is the 90 degree from C right there. Okay, I think I might want to bring it a bit more around. Right, the second one is a 90 degree dot coming from C. So you're going to use your ruler. Use a ruler to draw that line. You don't have to draw the full line, so just line up the ruler with your points, right? So I C now is going to be at this point right here, right? Right at that intersection there on the arc. That's going to be the image of C. The next point I'm going to do is B. Alright, so we can do D since, alright. Let's do D. So there we are at D. Here's the 90-degree dot right there. Okay, I'm gonna make it a big. The second point is the right one actually again. So I'm going to take the ruler. Alright, so now D is coming from that yellow shade dot is D, or tan. So I'm going to make the line through that yellow shaded dot. So you can see that the point D is right here. Let me not go for the pink one, right? Right at the intersection is the point D. So right on the yellow arc, right? Or just take the closest corner there. And then I need to do the same. And I was telling you about A, right? The A is a horizontal line from the center leading to A. So obviously we're going to get a vertical line down. So you could have done that actually without even using the protractor, right? There's my dot. Go straight down. A is a pink. Remember, the pink arc is coming from A. So you're gonna, alright, so that's the point where A is gonna be. And finally, B, center, your protractor at the center of rotation. Get your 0 line be on the line leading to B. Mark your 90-degree coming from B right there. And remember, we're going clockwise, so that's why we have to go this way, right? That's clockwise. Take your ruler, draw the line, and we need to intersect with green arc. All right, so it's going to, that point is going to be right here. Okay, the point is going to be right there. So we have the 4 points, and put some big dots at the points. The point C is going to be there. D is there. The image of A is there. I mean the image this time, and the image of B is right there. So you use your ruler and connect, and you have the image of quadrilateral ABCD rotated by negative 90 degrees, which means 90 going clockwise. All right. Of course, you're going to draw your lines much faster than I am. I'm trying this thing out on the computer, so it's a tad slow to get this ruler lined up properly. It takes a bit of time. Right, so there's your quadrilateral, and of course you're going to label whatever they say you should label it. You probably want to label A1, B1, C1, D1. So this is clearly a rotation in a clockwise direction. Now, remember that when you start these things, when you're drawing the objects, if you have to draw the object yourself, if you're drawing it, yes, make those lines bright, but your construction lines, you don't need to make them bright. In a situation like this, you could actually erase them when you're finished as well. You don't need to though. Alright, so there is the quadrilateral rotated by negative 90 degrees, which means 90 in a clockwise direction.